Opesa will apply for school abroad. Okay, mommy 1 minute. Na mencha wade free. Maybe amount free application waiver code. Free application waiver code. Eastern Illinois University. Ebie kwan for all graduate programs. Into no say opese wonya scholarship, opese wonya admission, opese wonya fully funded scholarship there. Ti asem we a me no ba bekan. Eastern Illinois University. Aha no mo ena misua ade ewo. And this very month, this very day, school no ama free application waiver code. Into no bi a we need you a opese usua ade no, opese wo ba Eastern no. The various programs now amba people boss no na hwe say wo die wo mu ana na wafa say we undergraduate ana say we graduate student me say this is the time for you to apply for free, and it's not just for free den so obesan so enya scholarship at the account. And let's start with the undergraduate student. We are undergraduate student now what SHS qualification now me patrol your programs be to say nursing, psychology, communication, cybersecurity, engineering, IT. Every program be a we need you. Eastern Illinois University ABA quite the amount say you can apply for this program for free. You can apply into any of this program for free. Almost waive all the application. No, into me patrol say who are down for who unia na say okra SHS qualification na catch and say Eastern Illinois University ABA kwan say obi abetumi apply free. Application process no a bit challenging kakra meto mo na ma kire mo de akire. So like a video no na share na comment ade a me YouTube channel and me de ato so no but mo dey say obekọ ho ma subscribe full video no ewo YouTube nti no betumi akwakonya full video no etumi ahwe. Now graduate student say ebia opese obeye o masters ewo ahanom say ye wo programs mako 33 programs mako 33 into mo am we business no me pa cho ye wo MBA programs wo hanom with different option, accounting, human resource, all those things now mo ye wo business administration MBA program no ya ade a ye wo hanom 2 years. Once a ebia we need communication, that is what I'm doing here. And also no communication here were different specializations. You were media, you were interpersonal, you were strategic communication. Ubetimi aye ninyi nebi you were pedagogy. Wa we need teaching you can do it. Again, once ebia opese obeye Master of Science in Sustainability. Ubetimi ababeye Masters in Psychology, Masters in Education. Every masters bia wini mo wiase hanom. Eastern Illinois University AAB 33 programs and available. Also, open certificate program no obetimi ababaye into cyber security, technology, and now say ABA, open say obeye sports education, open say ABA obeye any program be related to studio art. Wa wonim drawing me patcho studio art ye will be wa no say 1 year per masters. It is fully funded. Wa person we music obetimi ababaye, wa person we theater obetimi ababaye, wa person obeye ABA in fancy TV and journalism obetimi ababaye ni nyina bi. All these programs available at Eastern Illinois University. Ye bie kwan mu free application waiver code aba a me de ba be ma o de an say like video no na share na comment na me fa ma uhia emoa bia na comment say I need help, I'll respond to you. Metro which application as they went here say frame and I said but more than I said over comment me you are no. So me see application process no a bit difficult into to bona min chechiru mu and chiro na ye ni ye send be ya you will not have any problem edikan because we are international student in Tino. So we application na yen start with undergraduate for no because we are international student in no ye wo ade bi a your friend my EIU so who create my EIU account, who create EIU account by using your email. Into no be use email now we use din now we use personal information or biodata no now they created that account no who they create and now create one kasa password at the amano, so that is what will enable you to log in. So my EIU no and a mediator so no, this is how it looks like. My EIU and a mediator, so this is how it looks like. So ubebo password now wafi wabo we email the shame ebe log in a log in then now you are going to select the program any semester no tie semester na wo ba no 4 2026 for 2026 identify no select no na afei so select say we international student undergraduate, so we graduate student so select international student graduate. One selected this we mistake we had no application and go through Niema enum enom bebisa, they are going to ask you about your personal information. Udin, ombebisa udin, ombebisa wa address, u date of birth, all those things. Ombeji nyina. The second thing ombebisa no eye u educational history. Say bia oko school ben school no the location, the address, ombeji nyina. Then the other thing ombebisa say school ni din o de no so be shemo. Na afin so ombebisa country a ufri, your country of origin, ufri Ghana. Now if you be say region, ben central region, all those things in the then the other thing also be selected programs 1, 2, 3. So your first program, your first choice, your second choice, your third choice into be selected programs 3 we need you who apply into. Then we no say submit it. This is where the application waiver code more. Say a master's program, submit or document, but don't submit it yet. You will be a friend a checklist. Continue. Say do payment. Application waiver code. No, don't put in the application waiver code. What they say, click submit. It will go through. Oh, click submit. It will go through. You don't need any waiver code. But say fill forms. Now say, are you applying through an agent? And now say you are not applying through agent. Medin edit a cast, you can put my name in there. You can put my name in there as the agent who apply through him or whatever. You can put it there. What it means is I can follow up with the school and then tell them, say, nipa way, apply through my reference. Therefore, they can work all those things for you. Again, may say, making sure say ube check it, say ube select international undergraduate and I say international graduate before and sana what submit your application. So when you submit we pay. We a graduate student, you will get an email back to say apply for graduate assistantship. Apply for graduate assistantship. Very important. Niema miensa and be here free one. Be here reference miensa. Nipa miensa on bet me do one dance omu din, omu telephone number, omu email. These things are very, very important. And a fee will CV. CV here into no yet CV no so beden the beshemu. Then we submit that one into no every department be a campus no they are going to reach out to you. They will contact you for every available position be na honomo into making sure say you are doing the right thing. Get it right. Like video na comment na subscribe na share. Me say the full video is actually my YouTube page but more than say to me I like a video no comment. We hear any support be na comment say I need help. I'm here, Mebo. Get it right. You can do it too.